Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our maths class. So, students, we will wait for 2 minutes. Let other students also join us. Then we will continue with our maths lecture. Okay. Yes, Pranjal, Mayank, good afternoon. Yes, Atharva, Naitik, good afternoon to all the students. Yes, Pranav, good afternoon. Yes, Harsha, Advai, Diyan, Pranav, Advai, Yuvika, good afternoon to all the students. Yes, Advai, good afternoon. So, students, tell me what we have learned in our yesterday's lecture. Yes, yes, Inaya, good afternoon. Yes, we have learned chapter number 6, revision we have done of chapter number 6, right? Yes. So, students, I had given you homework yesterday. Have you all done it? Yes. I had told you to practice this of lesson number 6 at home. Have you all done it? Yes, why you are typing the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4? If you had done the homework, only say yes or no. Don't type these numbers. Okay. So you have done the homework, Arya, right? Okay. All the students have done the homework. Okay. So students, now today we are going to do the revision of lesson number 7. What we are going to do? We are going to do revision of lesson number 7. So let's start with our lecture now. I'm sharing the screen with you. Just a minute. Yes, Vidhi. Good afternoon, beta. Okay, students. So please tell me that are you able to see the screen and are you able to hear my voice properly? Please tell me that so that we will continue with our lecture. Yes, please. Okay. Yes. So let's start with our lecture now. So welcome to our maths lecture, students. And today, what we are going to learn? Today, we are going to do the revision of lesson number 7, numbers from 10 to 20. What we are going to learn? Today, we are going to learn lesson number 7, numbers from 10 to 20. Okay. So, let's start with our lecture. Yes. So, see, this is there in your workbook. Yes, this is workbook page, right? Yes. So in this lesson, chapter number 7, what we are going to learn? Yes, we are going to learn about introduction and writing of number 10. We are going to learn about tens. Yes, introduction and writing of numbers 11 to 20 and steps of 10. This we have learned before also from our textbook, right? Now we are going to solve from our workbook. Workbook sums we are going to solve it. Okay. So let's start with it. Yes, what it is given? The first question, see, multiple choice question. What it is given? Multiple choice question. So the assignment is given to us, and what we have to do, four options are given in the answer. We have to tick for the correct option. We have to tick for the correct option. Okay. So let's see the first one. What it is given? Yes, 9 plus 1. What it is given? 9 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is equal to how many, students? Yes, 9 plus 1 is equal to how many? So what we are going to do? After 9, you are going to count one number. After 9, you will count one number. So after 9, which number comes? Yes, tell me after 9, which number comes, students? 10, right? So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. What we will say? 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So here we are going to tick for the number 10 and here we will write 10 And in the bracket, what we will write? In the bracket, we will write 10. See over here, you can see the brackets over here. Yes, place is given. So here we are going to write 10. No, here we are going to write C. What we will write? C. Okay, so see C 10. C 10. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 9 plus 1 is equal to how many? 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Now let's move to the next number, next sum. The number 60 has dash tens. The number 60 has dash tens. So how many tens 60 has, students? So what I have told you, 110 is equal to how many? Yes, 110 is equal to 10. So 210 is equal to 20, right? 3 is equal to 30. 4 is equal to 40. 5 is equal to 50. So 6 is equal to how many, students? 6 is equal to 60. So 610 is equal to 60. So the number 60 has how many tens? So the number 60 has 6 tens. How many tens? 6 tens. So 6 tens is the correct answer. So here we are going to write, just a minute. Here we will write 610. So in the option C where 6 is given, C A 67, B 6, C 10 and D 7. So B 6 is the correct answer. So here I am writing 6 and in the bracket we will write B. Okay. So over here the number 60 has 6 tens. So what we will say? The number 60 has 6 tens. And over here 9 plus 1 is equal to how many? 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay. So see over here. C 10 is the correct answer and B 6 is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's move further to the next sum. Yes, what is given next one? See 10 plus 10. What it is given? 10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10 is equal to how many, students? Yes, 10 plus 10 is equal to how many? Tell me. Yes. So you can also count like this. See, 10 means 110, right? 110 and this is another 10 means 1 plus 110 plus 110 is equal to how many? 210, right? 210. So what we will say? 210 is equal to how many? 210 is equal to 20, right? So 10 plus 10 is equal to how many? 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So here I am writing 20, here D20 and in the bracket we will write D. In the bracket what we will write? We are going to write D. Okay. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. And over here we are going to write D 20. Now the next one what it is given? Fill in the blanks. What it is given? Fill in the blanks. So see the fourth sum what it is given? 8 tens plus 0 unit. What is given? 8 tens plus 0 unit is equal to how many? So what we are going to write? Here in unit place which number is given? 0. So in unit place I am writing 0 and in tens place which number is given? 8. So I am writing 8 in tens place. Okay. So students, the answer is 8 tens plus 0 unit is equal to 80. 8 tens plus 0 units is equal to how many? Is equal to 80. So here we have written 80. Now the next one, dash plus 1 is equal to 20. So we have to add over here some number so that we can get 20. We can get 20. So before 20, which number comes, students? Yes, before 20, which number comes? Tell me. Yes, 19, right? 18, 19, 20. So 19 comes before 20. Yes. So what we will do? Here we are going to write 19. What we will write? 19. So 19 plus 1 is equal to how many? 19 plus 1 is equal to 20. 19 plus 1 is equal to 20. So your 19 is the correct answer. Okay. Now the next one, what it is given? 15 and 1 make dash. What it is given? 15 and 1 make dash. So 15 and 1 makes how many students? Yes, 15 and 1 makes how many? Tell me. So after 15, count one number. After 15, you are going to count one number. 15 and 1 makes means we have to add this. See, 15 plus 1 is equal to how many? So 15 plus 1. After 15, count one number. After 15, count one number. Which number comes? Yes, 16, right? So here we are going to write 16, and over here also we will write 16. Okay, so 15 and 1 makes how many? 15 and 1 makes 16. 15 and 1 makes 16. So here we have written 16. Okay, so you can see over here D 20. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So here we have written D. Here 8 tens plus 0 unit is equal to 80. So here we have written 80. Next, 19 plus 1 is equal to 20. 19 plus 1 is equal to how many? Is equal to 20. So here we have written 19. Okay. We have 15 and 1 makes 16. 15 and 1 makes how many? 15 and 1 makes 16. So here we have written 16. Okay. Now let's move further to the next sum. Next, what it is given? Do as directed. What it is there? Do as directed. So let's read out the question. What we have to do? Color the correct option. What we have to do? We have to color for the correct option. You can see in every sum there are two options given. See here in this circle, both there are two options given in each and every sum, right? So what we have to do? We have to color for the correct option. Which answer is right? We are going to color for that one. Okay. So over here, first A1, what it is given? The total number of logs of wood are dash. Now over here, logs of woods are given over here. How many it is? Total number it is how many? So we have to count it and we have to color it. Okay. So let's start over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 10. Next over here also it is there in three groups it is given, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also it is given 10. So 10. I'm writing. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again here there are 10. So I'm writing 10 over here. So students tell me how many 10 it is given over here. 110, 210, 310. 3 tens are there. So 310 is equal to how many? 310 is equal to how many? 30, right? So how many logs are there over here? 30 logs are there. How many? 30 logs. So see over here it is 30. So we are going to color for 30. What we will do? We are going to color for the number 30 over here in the circle. So see 30. So we have colored for the number 30. Okay. Now the next one, what it is given? Next one, next one, see what it is given. The total number of balls are dash. What it is given? The total number of balls are dash. So how many total number of balls are given over here? Yes. So we have to count. Two boxes are given, right? So we have to count. So let's count it from the first box. How many balls are there? One, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So over here 10, so I'm writing 10 over here. In the next box again we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Over here also it is given 10. So now students tell me how many tens are given over here? 1, 2. 2 tens means 2 tens is equal to how many? 2 tens is equal to 20, right? 2 tens is equal to 20. So what we are going to do? The correct answer is 20. So we will color for the number 20. So see over here, 20. Okay. So here the correct answer is, here the correct answer is 20. And over here, the correct answer is 30. So 30 and 20. Here there are 30 logs of wood and here there are 20 balls. Okay. Now next one, what it is given? 80 is equal to dash. 80 is equal to how many tens, students? Here it is given 8 tens and 9 tens. So we have learned 1 10 is equal to 10, 2 10 is equal to 20, 3 10 is equal to 30, 4 10 is equal to 40, 5 10 is equal to 50, 6 10 is equal to 60, 7 10 is equal to how many? 70. So 8 10 is equal to how many, students? 80. So here it is written 80 is equal to, what we will say? 8 tens. 80 is equal to 8 tens. So we are going to color for this box. Okay. So the correct answer is 8 tens. Okay. So see over here. So see over here 30 logs. So here it is colored for 30. 20 balls, so it is colored for 20, and over here it is 8 tens. 80 is equal to 8 tens, so it is colored for 8 tens. Okay. Now let's move further to the next sum. What it is given? 13 and 5 make dash. 13 and 5 make how many, students? So what we have to do? We have to add this. 13 plus 5 is equal to how many? So what we are going to do for this? Yes, after 13, we are going to count 5 numbers. After 13, we will count 5 numbers. So start counting 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Again count after me. After 13, start counting 5 numbers. Yes, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So what is the correct answer you got? 18, right? So 18 is the correct answer. So we are going to color for which number over here, 15 or 18? 18. So see. So here we have colored for 18. What we have done here, we have colored for 18. Okay. Now the next one. 6 tens and 6 ones make dash. What 6 tens and 6 ones make dash? So 6 tens and 6 ones makes how many, students? Yes, tell me. So what we are going to do? In units place, we will write 6 ones, so 6. And in tens place, what it is there? 6 tens. So we will write 6. So what number we got over here? 66, right? So which is the correct answer? Yes. Which is the correct answer? 6 or 66? 66 is the correct answer. So we are going to color for the number 66. Okay. This number 66 is correct. So see, here 13 and 5 make how many? 18. And here 6 tens and 6 tens and 6 ones make 66. Okay. So see, over here correct answer is 18. So it is colored for it. And over here, the correct answer is 66. So it is color for 66. Now the next one, what it is given, match the following. But we have to match it. But how we are going to match this? We are going to solve the sum first. What we are going to do? We are going to solve the sum first, then we are going to match it. Okay. So let's start doing it. What it is given? 11 plus 3. What it is given? 11 plus 3. So 11 plus 3 is equal to how many students? Yes, 11 plus 3 is equal to how many? Yes, so what we are going to do? After 11, count 3 numbers. What you will do? After 11, you are going to count 3 numbers. So start counting 12, 13, 14. What answer you got? 14, right? What answer you got? 14. So what we are going to do? We are going to draw a line to D14. See over here. D14. Okay. Now the next one, what it is given? Next sum. 10 plus 9 is equal to dash. 10 plus 9 is equal to dash. So 10 plus 9 is equal to how many students? So after 10, you are going to count 9 numbers. What you will do after 10, you are going to count 9 numbers. So start counting 11. You are also going to count with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next 16, 17, 18, 19. What answer you got? Yes. What answer you got? 19, right? 19 is the correct answer. So here we are going to draw a line to B19. Okay. So 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. So here we have drawn a line to B19. Now the next one, over here what it is given? 8 plus 10. What it is given? 8 plus 10. So after 8 you are going to count 10 numbers. After 8 you are going to count 10 numbers. So start counting 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So what answer you got, students? Yes, what answer you got? 18. 18 is the correct answer, right? So here we are going to draw a line to C 18. Okay, this is the correct answer, C 18. Okay, next one, here it is given 2 tens. So students tell me 2 tens is equal to how many? 1 10 is equal to 10. 2 10 is equal to 20, right? So 2 10 is equal to 20. So we are going to draw a line to E20. Okay. Then next one, what it is given over here? 110 and 5 unit. 110 and 5 unit. 110 and 5 unit is equal to 15. Okay. So see over here. So here we have solved the sum and we have matched it. Okay. So see, 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. 2 tens is equal to 20. 1 10 and 5 unit is equal to 15. Again we will read it. 11 plus 3 is equal to how many? It is equal to 40. 14. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. And 2 tens is equal to 20. 110 and 5 units is equal to 15. So students, what we have learned over here? Here we have learned match the following. We have solved the sum first, then we have matched it to the correct answer. Okay. Now let's move further to the next one. Your what it is given? See, very short answer question. What it is given? Very short answer question. So let's read out the question. What is the sum of 13 and 1? What is the sum of 13 and 1? So what we are going to do over here, sum of 13 and 1 means we will add this 13 plus 1. So 13 plus 1 is equal to how many students? Yes, 13 plus 1 is equal to how many? So after 13, you are going to count one number. What you will do? After 13, you are going to count one number. So after 13, which number comes? Yes, after 13, which number comes? 14, right? 14. So here we are going to write 14. What we will write? 14. Okay. Next one, what is the sum of 110 and 610? What is the sum of 110 and 610? So students, we are having 610. Okay, so I'm writing 6 over here. Plus we are adding 1. So I'm writing 1. So 6 plus 1 is equal to how many students? 6 plus 1 is equal to how many? So after 6 count one number. After 6, count one number. Which number comes? 7, right? So here 7, 10. The answer is 7, 10. Okay. So you can see over here the answer is 14 and over here 7, 10 is the correct answer. Now let's move further to the next sum. What it is given next one? Yes, which sum is given next one? How many tens are equal to 50? What it is given? How many tens are equal to 50? So students tell me how many tens are equal to 50? 110 is equal to 10. 210 is equal to 20. 310 is equal to 30. 410 is equal to 40. So 510 is equal to how many? 50. So how many 10 is equal to 50 students? 510, right? So we are going to write over here 5 tens. Okay. 5 tens is equal to 50. See over here 5 tens is the correct answer. Now the next one. What it is given? Short answer question. What it is given? Short answer question. So let's read out the question. One carton of eggs has 10 eggs. In this one carton means in this one box, how many eggs are there? 10 eggs are there. Okay. How many eggs are there in 4 cartons? So over here in this one box there are 10 eggs. So here 4 boxes are given, right? 4 cartons are given. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 10. So in this all, how many it is there? How many eggs are there? So over here 10. Over here also 10, 10, 10. So now students tell me how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens are there. So 4 tens is equal to how many? 1 10 is equal to 10. 2 10 is equal to 20. 3 10 is equal to 30. So 4 10 is equal to how many? 40. So how many eggs will be there over here? Here there will be 40 eggs. So here we are going to write 40 eggs. Okay. So the correct answer is 40 eggs. See over here 40 eggs. Okay. Now the next one what it is given. Yes. Next some what it is given. Aditya has 10 marbles. Aditya having 10 marbles. How many marbles? 10 marbles. So I'm writing 10 over here so that you can understand it. Next, his father gave him 7 more marbles. His father gave him 7 more marbles. Okay. He kept all the marbles in the box. He kept this all the marbles in the box. How many marbles are there in total? So how many marbles are all together in total, students? So we have to add this. So 10 plus 7 is equal to how many? Yes, 10 plus 7 is equal to how many? So students, what you are going to do? After 10, count 7 numbers. After 10, you are going to count 7 numbers. So start counting. Yes, start counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So what answer you got? 17, right? 17. So here we are going to write 17 marbles. Okay. So 17 marbles. 17 marbles is the correct answer. 17 marbles is the correct answer. Okay. Now the next one. What is given? Rupa has 30 books. How many books Rupa is having? 30 books. She wants to pack 10 books in each box. She wanted to pack 10 books in each box. So how many boxes Rupa needed? So here there are 30 books, right? 30 books. So she wanted to pack 10 books in each box. So 30 is equal to how many? 30 is equal to 3. So we are going to make 3 tens over here. See, 10 books in each box. So we will make 3 tens. 1, 2, 3, right? So students tell me this 10 books we have kept in one box, another 10 books in another box, and this 10 books in another box. So how many tens? 10, 20, 30. 3 tens. So over here, how many box we needed over here? 1, 2, 3. So Rupa need how many box in all? Students tell me. Yes, 3 box, right? 3 box. So here we are going to write 3 box. What we will write? 3 boxes. Okay. So see over here 3 boxes. So students, here what we have learned? Here we have learned lesson number 7. We have done the revision of it. Now we are going to do some revision of number names. Yes. Now what we are going to do? We are going to do the revision of number names. So I'm going to repeat. I'm going to say these words. You are going to repeat after me loudly. Okay. So start saying 1. O-N-E 1. Say loudly. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. Next is 2. T-W-O 2. TWO 2. TWO 2. Next is 3. THREE 3. THREE 3. THREE 3. Next is 4. FOUR 4. FOUR 4. FOUR 4. Next is 5. FIVE 5. FIVE 5. Next is what? FIVE 5. Next is 6. SIX 6. SIX 6. SIX 6. Next one is 7. Next one is what? 7. SEVEN 7. SEVEN 7. SEVEN 7. Next is 8. Next is what? 8. EIGHT 8. EIGHT 8. EIGHT 8. Next one is 9. Next one is what? 9. NINE 9. NINE 9. NINE 9. Next one is 10. TEN 10. TEN 10. TEN 10. Okay. Now let's move further to the next word. What it is given? 11. Word is 11. So repeat after me. ELEVEN 11. ELEVEN 11. ELEVEN 11. Next is 12. TWELVE 12. TWELVE 12. TWELVE 12. Next is 13. Next one is 13. THIRTEN 13. THIRTEN 13. THIRTEN 13. Next is 14. Next is which number? 14. FOURTEN 14. FOURTEEN 14. FOURTEEN 14. Next is 15. FIFTEEN 15. FIFTEEN 15. FIFTEEN 15. Next one is 16. SIXTEEN 16. SIXTEEN 16. SIXTEEN 16. Next is 17. Next number is what? 17. SEVENTEEN 17. SEVENTEEN 17. SEVENTEEN 17. Next is 18. Next is what? 18. EIGHTEEN 18. EIGHTEEN 18. EIGHTEEN 18. Next is 19. Next is what? 19. NINETEEN 19. NINETEEN 19. NINETEEN 19. Next one is 20. Next one is what? 20. TWENTY 20. TWENTY 20. TWENTY 20. So students, what we have learned today? Yes, today we have learned revision of lesson number 7. Yes, and also we have done the revision of number names, right? Now I'm going to ask the spelling. You are going to send it in a chat box, okay? So tell me the spelling of 12. Tell me the spelling of 12. Yes, write it. What is the spelling of 12? Yes, Arusha, correct. Pranjal, correct. Advai, correct. Only 3 students? Yes, Pranav, correct. Pranali, correct. Swara, correct. Atharva, correct. Mayank, correct. Yes, Ruchita, Riddhi, correct. Naitik, correct. Yes, very good. Now, students, tell me the spelling of 15. What is the spelling of 15? Yes, Shreya, Girish, correct. Valiska, correct. Vibha, correct. Aditi, correct. Yes, Pranjal, correct. Sanjana, correct. Okay. Advai, correct. Mayank, Atharva. Yes, very good, students, correct. Okay. Now, students, tell me the spelling of 20. What is the spelling of 20? Yes, Grahi, correct. Dhruv, correct. Ketki, correct. Yes, Atharva, correct. Dhruv, correct. Very good, students. All are typing very good, correct spellings. Very good. Okay. So, students, today, okay. Rehan, you have typed double Y. Okay. That is wrong. Only. Yes, so students, for homework now, what we are going to do? Yes, you are going to practice this lesson number 8 in your notebooks. You are going to practice this lesson number 8 in your, lesson number 7 in your notebook. Okay. Okay. So students, have you all understood this lesson? Are you having any queries in it? Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. So you have understood it properly. So students, we are going to meet in our next lecture now. Okay. Have a good day. Bye-bye.